Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Steam account already linked with another Faceit account. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, when you go ahead over to your Faceit app or the Faceit web, okay, let's say this one. When you try to log in or create an account, it says this is already linked. Well, that means that it's already linked, okay? So to find out which account is tied to that specific email or Steam account, well, just go ahead and open up your Steam. Okay, go ahead over to your profile right here at the top right. And then what you're going to do is just copy this ID or game ID, click on it, and then close Steam. And go ahead and go to faceit.com, click on search right here at the very top. Okay, now paste it. Now go to players right here, select the game, CSGO or CS2, it's up to you. Now go ahead and delete, okay, these letters like so, and then this one as well. Okay, now go ahead and click on search game ID right here. There you go. So this is the account, okay, your Steam account that is tied to my Faceit. So I'm going to click on it just for you to see. All right, so for now, now you now know which Steam account is already linked, okay, with your Faceit. Now, if you're having problem, okay, logging into this specific account, well, just go ahead and go to your favorite browser and open up Faceit support email, okay, type it down, and then just go ahead and click on submit a request right here. And then what you're going to do is just go ahead and enter your email, okay, where Faceit support will reach you out. And then the contact reason is account and game management, account recovery, okay. Need help with my email and password. Go ahead and enter your Faceit profile URL right here or account name, okay, like this one. Copy everything, paste it right here. Enter your full name, date of birth, Steam profile, as what I've shown you earlier. Your Steam profile is under, of course, your profile right here. Just copy this link, okay. Paste that in here. Now go ahead and enter the new email that you want to put your account or you want to put in this account. Okay, just basically follow simple prompts, hit on submit, and just wait for Faceit support's reply. That is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.